Hey guys, Alex here. So I'm actually on the hunt right now for product ideas. I actually do come to Officeworks. I'm a bit of a geek, and I'm walking down here and I'm looking at HDMI cables. Very techy product, I wouldn't advise it. What does sort of get me excited is there are some products here that, especially in the gift section, right? So all the glamour, all the gifts here, right? I actually look at this sort of stuff and you can actually run the numbers. So if you have like the Amazon app installed on your phone, you can run the numbers on some of this sort of stuff. Now, the good thing about office stationery is it's very broad. The niche, the category is very broad. So you're appealing a lot to basically the office market. Anyone's got an office at home, right? So office market, the home office, there's a lot of people, everyone needs stationery. So it's what we call a replenishable product. People are gonna buy more. When it breaks, they're gonna buy more, right? So I'm looking at a lot of different products here. These are actually quite hot right now, these particular products right here. And the one thing I was looking at before were these bottles out here. Just give us a second. These drink bottles. These quite good. It's got the little lip. So it's got a little lip. Sort of. There you go. So it's very unique actually. The sip is like stops it dripping, you know. So I'm always looking for these particular products, and I always get ideas because you never know. There's always new products hitting the market, and you can do only so much on those tools like Jungle Scout and a few other tools out there. But you can actually get a lot of ideas by walking down these aisles and getting inspired. These are silicon-based pencil cases. I'm sure these are, there you go, organic cotton, got bamboo, got recycled pencil cases, everything recycled, bamboo, BPA, plastic free is really sexy right now. Toys market's always good, a lot of competition though. And these particular products, I'm actually looking at a product right now. Anyway guys, get inspired, head down to your local Officeworks, but you do get a whole bunch of ideas